come on, wake up, just let me wake up in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive. I'm walking the from our good friends over there at Nadula Hair. I actually just filmed another wig by them. I'm gonna try to insert a picture here. That wig was so absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know human hair really in my drip because I like being bald headed, and if I do have on a wig, normally it's synthetic. But I can say that Nadula Hair has given us some amazing human hair. So if you are a human hair lover, I encourage you to keep watching. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's see what this one is. The other one was long and blonde and wavy, gave me real Beyonce tease. Okay, they sent us a bag with some little extras, and they did this with the other wig. And in my opinion, this counts, these little extras, because sometimes this shit can be hot. They gave us some eyelashes. They gave us two packs of stocking caps. And they gave us a little box with a little necklace. Whoever get this from me off Poshmark, I'm gonna be sure to give you all of that, okay? Because y'all know I ain't gonna keep it because I don't wear human hair. Let's look at the wig, okay? So thank you, Nadula, for the little extras. Y'all, it's a body wave. Ooh, this, I'm lying. It's Jerry curl. Okay, it's Jerry curl. It's 24 inches long. Okay, I thought that said headband wig, but ain't no headbands in there, so it can't be. Nope, it's not. See how I was gonna mess that up? Y'all, look at this Jerry curl. I'm trying to get the netting off my hand. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, y'all. And look how the parting space, that's either a 4x4 or a 5x5, which means it's gonna be super easy. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, y'all, that is a, look at me trying to act like I know what I'm doing. I think that's a 5x5. Look in the description box, you'll see. Comb to right, comb to left, and then 5x5, which means you can part it anywhere in that area. Y'all, watch how easy and how bomb this is going to be. Let me show it to you before I cut the lace off. Y'all, this it's gonna be so freaking easy. That hair is so pretty. Let's cut off this lace. And then I'm gonna play around with it a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you real quick. So of course they got that pre-made part, but you can part it anywhere in that 5x5 area, which I prefer that because that means no glue, no tacking and all of that. Also what that means is, say you don't want it in the middle, you can just, ooh, it's caught on my earring. You can just shift this, hold on. Y'all know I got that industrial and it hurts. Okay, you can shift it over here to the right if you want. You can shift it over here to the left if you want, or you can keep it in the middle. A 5x5, 4x4, 6x6, these are the easiest wigs. Let's cut off this lace and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. wig, and this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, Lord, this is some gorgeous hair, y'all. The length on this is nice. It's not too long, okay? Here's my belly button, and that's where it goes. And the density is what got me, because when I first looked at this, I said, okay, somebody's trying to have a heat stroke. But the density is really, really nice on this. And because it is a 5x5 or 6x6, whatever it is, you can pull half of it up if you would like as well. Y'all, this is gorgeous to me. I absolutely love this pattern. And I'm more of a water wave girl or a deep wave. I don't really care for body wave, but this is gorgeous. I 1000% recommend this one or that blonde one that they were nice enough to send over as well. Both of these are absolutely gorgeous, and I can vouch for them. I will say that even if you don't want the blonde one or this one, Nadula Hair is a company, if you're looking to invest in some new hair, that I would definitely recommend. Like I always say, maybe you aren't even into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your cousin Gracie. Maybe it's your Uncle Geraldo. Messy. Whichever one of them, send them my way, and me and Nadula Hair will get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.